Wow, there's a massive boycott going on by Uber people who use Uber, and this is crazy. I have never seen anything like this before. This almost feels like an episode of Black Mirror. Find out more in today's video. Roll the intro music. What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Sorry, I just took a shower. I don't know if you guys shower in the morning or at night. Let me know down below if you do shower in the morning or at night. I am generally curious. And then also, do you brush your teeth before you drink your morning coffee, or do you just wake up and drink your morning coffee? I've always wondered that. So quick poll, let me know. Anyways, today's video, guys, is absolutely insane in the membrane. So if you guys don't know what's going on, essentially, there's a lot to talk about, but the gist of it is that Uber is actually deleting Instagram comments by people leaving sexual assault complaints. People who have been sexually assaulted in Uber cars. They've been tweeting about or commenting on Uber's Instagram, and Uber's been deleting the Instagram comments to hide what's the reality. And that, you might say, well, you know, whatever, that's not that big of a deal, but it is. I'm gonna get into it today. So stay on the lookout for that, guys. Before I jump into the video, I just wanna introduce myself really quick. Hello, how are you? Yes, I am walking around my kitchen because I'm trying to get some exercise in. I didn't go to the gym today. Today was my off day. I should have still gone out, done a hike, done something nice, but I slept for a lot of the day while I laid in bed. Regardless, today I'm gonna be chatting. If you guys haven't discovered yet, I'm a little all over the place in these videos just because, you know, I'm a creator. This is what I do for a living. Well, I'm working on a company, guys. I'm trying to work on a company. It is a merchandise platform for influencers. Boom, big reveal. This is what I've been working on. As you can see, I've been sketching out ideas on this handy little whiteboard. Got a ton of ideas, as you can see. No, I'm just kidding. No, I wiped it all off clean because I like to, you know, I can't leave fresh ideas on there. Basically, what I'm trying to do is start a merchandise company, a platform for influencers to sell their merchandise to fans. I sell my merchandise on it already. It's called merchclub.co. I put everything on sale for Black Friday. I'm gonna leave the sale up for a while. Everything's up to 40% off. Even some things are even 50% off, the things that haven't been sold out yet. But regardless, I just wanted to say that just to introduce myself. That's what I do. I'm trying to make it work, but as you guys know, investors are a little unresponsive. You know, people say, oh, I want to invest $10,000 and then never hear from them again. So that's why I hate meetings. I hate meetings. If you try to email me and try to get a meeting, I will probably say, I've actually told people have said, hey Dylan, I have a business idea with you. And I'm like, okay, well, and they're like, okay, let's talk about it on the phone. And I'm like, I don't have time to talk to 5,000 people every day on the phone. So I email them back and say, oh look, I don't have time. If you're serious, you know, write out, you know, 3 things you want to accomplish on our phone call, or what do you want from me? What are you offering, etc. I make them do that in email because whatever. I'm trying to say, okay, I'm getting distracted. That's me, that's a little intro about me. But this is actually super serious. Instagram users in France want to boycott Uber after it was accused of not taking claims on sexual assault seriously. That's what I was saying. Instagram has been deleting. Can you imagine if you got sexually assaulted in an Uber car? Yes, I'm livid about this. This is real. If you got sexually assaulted in an Uber car and you went and complained about it to Uber on social media, and Uber goes, one of my customers got sexually assaulted, delete, who cares? That's not pretty good. That's not great at all. That's actually really bad. I don't know why my teeth look so white in this. Let's read this. Let's read it. It came from this Instagram account, Memes for Cool Kids Feminists. Maybe that's the owner of the account. Uber France is grappling with yet another scandal on social media networks. The platform has been accused by several social media users of having deleted user comments. Maybe we can see what the comments are. Hopefully. Let's see. Over France, when des femmes are complaining about des agressions sexuelles par des drivers. Vous voulez toujours pas parler de vos chauffeurs agresseurs, violeurs, multirécidivistes et du fait que vous les laissez en service, nous exportons tout au pire, mieux encore. Basically, what they're saying is, you're always talking about how drivers are so multi-facet, like how our drivers are so great, how they're so great at service. Sorry, I'm trying to translate. Oh yeah, how security is so good, blah, blah, blah. And then they say, oh yeah, and then you're deleting these comments or whatever when people actually leave the comments. So back to English. Sorry, I got distracted. But that was basically the post that exposed them on November 22nd. So that was about a week ago. About a week ago. Do you guys remember that song? About a week ago. The comments section on many photos on Uber France's Instagram account has been flooded with comments calling Uber out and accusing of inaction when receiving sexual assault and rape claims. Oh my gosh. Let's see if people are still, maybe have the deleted. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna have to translate for you guys again. Yeah, see, look at this. Okay, pouvez-vous nous assurer que Uber est, can you guys assure us that Uber is safe and un service and a service of drivers de conductrices femmes. Was that the Instagram account? Personne. Uber c'est ouvert. Uber c'est ouvert. Uber is over. Guys, I miss France. If there's any French girls watching, please send me a DM. Let's hang out. Let's talk. Let's practice some French for me. I'll pay you to be my French tutor. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. I met a Croatian girl one time. She had the cutest little accent. She goes, okay. She goes, okay. She'd be like, hey Dylan. Okay. Anyways, a spokesperson for Uber told Business Insider France that the company isn't covering up the issue, but acknowledged a lack of good judgment. Uber France is grappling with yet another scandal on social media networks, and it couldn't really have come at a worse time. With just hours to go before the nationwide Nuit march against gender violence is set to go across France, the platform has been accused by several social media users of having deleted users' comments about sexual assault by Uber drivers beneath one of its posts. On Instagram, an account can delete comments posted under its own post, as it looks as though this has been the case with Uber, according to various users. I myself, yes, the Rideshare Hub, Dylan the Rideshare Hub, has deleted some comments. But I've deleted hate comments. Comments that are either offensive or calling hate against another person. There's even been some other YouTubers, sadly enough, who have left hate comments on the videos, and I had to block them, which I actually unblocked, I think, almost everybody. But yeah, you know, this is real. Like, you can block people's comments. This is what Uber did. But if somebody like Uber, you guys can see what I'm saying. Like, you can pick and choose what comments you want to be on there. I myself just leave pretty much all of them up right now, unless like they're really, really bad, like, you know, hate comments or whatever. But yeah. According to several screenshots of comments by social media users, messages about sexual assaults and rapes by drivers were deleted on Wednesday. So it looked like it was all done on Wednesday almost. This sparked uproar online for people across France who have adopted a hashtag. Oh, this is the hashtag Uber c'est ouvert. One comment, do you feel comfortable ignoring and deleting the evidence you put forward by girls who have been sexually assaulted by your drivers? You are rotten to the bone, Uber France. Vous êtes pourris jusqu'à l'eau. Jusqu'à l'eau. Ça va, Uber? Vous vous sentez bien d'ignorer et de supprimer les témoignages des filles qui se font agresser sexuellement par vos chauffeurs? Vous êtes pourris jusqu'à l'eau. Nous prenons extrêmement sérieusement
les faits d'agression sexuelle qui nous sont signalés, nous vous assurons que ces agressions sont traitées dans le cadre d'une procédure intransigeante. The comments section on many photos on Uber Friends Instagram have been flooded with comments. Yeah, you know, you can see here. Maybe even just go to, I mean, how often are they posting right now? Oh, they just posted. Oh, 6 weeks ago. They haven't even posted in 6 weeks. Maybe they even deleted. So people are going through their old comments. That's 7. The 7 is weeks. So people are going back, like maybe even through here. Yeah, even on this one, 10 weeks ago, people are still flooding with Uber, c'est over agression. This is crazy. I honestly would not be surprised that Uber is over in France. This could even be over everywhere. This is how companies end, guys. If you guys didn't know, this is how companies end. Big scandals happen, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if Uber actually is over. Uber, c'est over. Let me know your thoughts on this. This is huge. This is crazy. I haven't heard anybody else talk about this. Why not? Let's talk about it. Let's get the conversation going. I'm gonna make a follow-up video on what Uber actually does in France because this is absurd. This is absolutely absurd. This is my favorite wall. Oh, this is my favorite wall. Sorry, I got a little, I accidentally fell. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below. You guys are the best. Stay safe out there, and yeah, I mean, I don't feel like inspired to support Uber right now. I don't want to say Uber's the greatest country in the world. Like, come on, Uber just did that. They're deleting like serious reports. That's not good at all. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. This is not good. All right, bye, guys.